Hi Indra, how are you? Okay, so you were telling a lot of things about your daughter and why you have come here to attend the class.
Oh, yes. Actually, a year back or so, I had that thing done for her, that midbrain activation. After that, she's like, she's sharper.
Okay,
Her memory has definitely increased.
okay.
So, and even though she attends less classes, she's able to remember more.
Mm-hmm.
So it is like पेट्रोल कम डाल के माइलेज ज़्यादा मिलती है.
Very wonderful. तो क्या क्या changes लग रहे हैं आपको अपनी daughter में? How old is your daughter?
She's 13 plus.
13 plus. Okay. So what are the changes before and after?
It's not like before and after because she was always a very active girl.
Okay.
But it's like perhaps things have started being more faster for her. Like she can assimilate things faster. She can ऐसा ऐसे नहीं है कि उसका कैरेक्टर पूरा रिवोल्यूशनराइज हो गया हो, इधर से उधर हो गया. It has not made any change in her eating habits. It has not made any change in her, but there are changes.
What are the changes?
The
Let's talk
changes
about
are
the
that she's
changes.
learning faster. She's learning faster. She's able to recollect things faster. Then she's able to retain things for a longer time.
Okay.
So yes, that is there. Once she learns, she never forgets.
Very good. And how fast she learns? Is there a change in speed?
As far as I know, she never studies at home.
Okay.
Whatever she listens in the class, she's good. Does she listens in the class with all her attention, and that's it. And she can remember the whole class. Even if there is a question which is not there in the syllabus or whatever, but her teacher has explained, she can do.
Okay. Very good.
She
What
can.
else?
Yeah, as far as yeah, she's good at her all kinds of artistic things. Like she can do very good pottery. She's good at dancing. She's an extempore speaker. She really speaks well. She speaks on the radio. She's a junior jockey.
Okay.
Okay, then many things, that come rather. Sometimes I feel what can be taught can naturally be taught. Some things are there in you that would call a divine blessing. That has definitely happened.
That has happened with her. Okay. So you mean to say that whatever hidden talents were there, they are all coming up and they are showing up and she's picking
Yeah.
up speed.
Speed, fast. She's fast. Yeah. Spectacular. That's so her memory is like she can actually recite a whole book without even looking at it once. The only time she studies is when her teacher teaches her once, and I read it aloud once. She does not pick up the book, and still she remembers the whole chapter word to word. एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक उसके चैप्टर सिर्फ एक पेज के होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. चैप्टर्स आर क्वाइट लेंदी, बट शी इज एबल टू रिमेंबर देम word to word as though the book was in front of her.
Good. So now, what brings you to this adult midbrain activation?
Yes, I actually wanted to know what she is going through, what how she has changed, what just to be able to understand her better. And also one small thing which I wanted for myself is I have seen people suffering from Alzheimer's and things like that, where brain retardation takes place and where you suffer with that. I had a feeling from inside that if I do this, I will never go through.
So now what is your experience?
I like it. It is right. Like right now, it is a little difficult to believe that these things really do happen. But I can perceive colors right now. I do, I'm sure when I practice, I'll be able to read as she does just by keeping a finger better than brain.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
So perhaps when I am starting doing it, she'll also do it along with me, better herself.
So
still.
how are you feeling that in 2 days time you are able to close your eyes and identify colors? Are you excited about it?
Yeah, I'm excited. Not just about the colors actually, but perhaps I can perceive a person's intentions better. I can warn my husband कि इसके साथ deal नहीं करो, don't go with them, or perhaps tell my own daughter कि ये company सही नहीं है, because I am able to perceive and see it.
Okay. So okay, right. Okay, so Indira, there are some colors. Your eyes are hurting or something?
No. I'm just seeing कि पूरी तरह बंद हो गया या I'm just making sure कि it is closed.
Okay. It is closed? Right. Okay. So now there are some colors in front of you. Just pick up one by one and try telling. We understand that it is just the second day of your workshop, but still try doing it.
Orange.
Wonderful. Class, can you please clap for her? Very good. Keep it aside. Very good.
Yellow.
Try again. Try again. Concentrate. Take a deep breath.
Light green.
Yes, wonderful. Wonderful.
Thank you. Greenish blue.
Concentrate again. Put it on your forehead. You can tap it near your ear.
Yellow.
Wonderful. Please, everybody clap for her. Very good. Keep it aside. आप लोगों के सारे कलर्स हो गए? प्रैक्टिस करिए प्लीज एवरीबॉडी. टेलीपैथी करो एक दूसरे के साथ, पेयर बना बना के. हेलो प्लीज, नो टॉकिंग देयर. टेलीपैथी. अमिताभ टेलीपैथी करिए किसी लड़के के साथ करिए. अब आप अमिताभ नवनीत के साथ ट्राई प्रैक्टिस करिए.
Blue.
Wonderful, very good.
Perhaps blue green.
No, concentrate. Concentrate better. Or maybe keep it back in your lap and then try the other color and then try this one later. There's no issue at all. This is just the first time you're doing it.
Pink.
Wonderful. Now the last color which is left. Tap it near your ear. Just tap it near your ear.
No sand. Perhaps orange.
No,
But
it
that
is
is
not
not
orange. No worries. You have told all the other colors correct.
रेड नहीं परसीव होता, मुझे जानना चाहिए था कि रेड परसीव
कोई
होता
बात
ही
नहीं.
नहीं
It's
है.
okay. It's okay. Give some grace to yourself. There's a major neurological change which has happened. Just clap for yourself. Please clap for yourself. Clap everybody for her.
I know, I
Yes,
should have,
yes.
I
Now-
should have used my head also कि ये परसीव नहीं हो रहा तो ये रेड होगा.
No, but then you were saying orange, which is a hot color, and red is also a hot color. तो इसका मतलब you were feeling something. Maybe after 21 days of practice, you'll be able to do it better. Now we will try some telepathy with her, or maybe just wait, huh? Okay, so Indra, are you ready? So we are trying. We are giving a color to Prasad. Just try and focus on his mind, what he is thinking. Prasad, take this color. And just think only this color, okay? Tap it near your ear. Put it on your forehead. Smell it, Prasad. And think only this color. You have seen that color, na? Don't think anything else for now. Indra, just focus on his mind.
Yellow.
Concentrate.
Could be green also. Green or yellow.
No, no. It's neither yellow nor green. Why are you putting your finger there? Relax. Take a deep breath. Don't touch your backs. अलग अलग बैठो. हाँ. Just focus on his mind. Prasad, you're thinking only that? Blue hai. Very good. Yes, it is blue. Now take another color, Prasad. Any other color. Now tell. Give another try. This is just a practice. Only 3 modules are done. You are halfway through the workshop, so don't worry. Concentrate on his mind. Very good. Please clap for her. Everybody, very good. Just awesome. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Now you take one color and Prasad will try. Okay? Prasad, just take a deep breath. Don't worry at all. Yes. Now she's holding another color, Prasad. You don't hold any color. Prasad, keep all the colors down. Now she's holding another color. Concentrate on her mind. See, you're just halfway through the workshop, है ना? अभी तो take a deep breath, Prasad. Indra, you're thinking only that, na? कोई थॉट आ रहा है? कंसंट्रेट करिए. Just give a command to your mind. Concentrate on Indra's mind. Don't. कोई थॉट आ रहा है? क्या थॉट आ रहा है? कोई कलर आ रहा है? एनी फर्स्ट थॉट? गिव अनदर ट्राई. वेरी क्लोज, वेरी क्लोज. गिव अनदर ट्राई. आपने रेड सोचा था क्या अभी? अच्छा ठीक है. पिंक बोला था? कब बोला? ओ यू टोल्ड पिंक. अच्छा ओके, आई डिड नॉट हियर दैट. जोर से बोलिए ना फिर. Yes, Prasad, start telling the colors one by one.
Pink.
Not bad.
Try again.
Red.
Very close. Try again. One more try.
Orange.
Yes. Please clap for him. Please clap for अलग रख दीजिए उसको. दूसरा उठाइए. हाँ ये बताइए.
Blue.
Wonderful. Please clap for him. साइड में रख दीजिए. साइड में रखिए और उठाइए. See, halfway through and he's telling the colors.
Green.
Yes. Please clap for him. एक साइड में रख दीजिए और बताइए. रुकिए, अरे अरे 2 कलर और बचते हैं अभी. आपने देख लिया, आप तो अब आपने देख लिया. चलिए, anyways, but it's very good attempt. Halfway through the workshop and he's telling all this. Very good, and you are doing telepathy also.